Hey guys, I thought I'd give you one little quick tip about packing. So I did an earlier video today about packing for the trip, the photo shoot tomorrow, but I figured I'd give you like a more visual explanation of everything I'm doing rather than just telling you. So I have my Amazon Basics tripod, $12, I love it. It's indestructible. I got AAA batteries, I got AA batteries. It's because my flashes use double and AAA. I got my digital camera, and then I got my two film cameras in here and here, each with a flash. I have my 28 to 105 zoom lens, a 14mm lens, a 35 and a 50, and I'm thinking of bringing my 90 here. But we'll see. A little quick tip is film. So I have all the film that I showed earlier, but I put it into little Ziploc baggies, and all the film is in one little spot. That way, if you're shooting a lot with a model or something like that, you don't want to break that flow. So what I do is I take all the film out of the packages, and then whenever I know that I have a shoot, I just take like 5 rolls and shove it in my pocket, and that way I'm able to just like go quickly between ones. I have here, this is called a Gridic Cocoon, which has my flashes, some spare batteries, a tripod head for my ring light, another charger, and then a release. I have my film camera that I showed earlier. In here, I have a Shure microphone for recording with my phone. I'm not using it now. Then I have my tripod stand, or I guess my tripod, and my ring light. And that's what I'll be bringing with tomorrow, but I just wanted to give that quick tip of, and the 5-in-1, what you call it, 5-in-1 reflector. I just want to give this quick tip about film. A lot of people like bring the whole boxes around with them. Don't do that. So it's a total waste. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow at the shoot.